Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites and then opening the console. Make sure the game is on the updated Fs25 build and you enabled the developer console. Once done, press the console hotkey, usually tilde, then confirm you see the prompt. You will also want a quick backup of your active save to avoid irreversible changes. Now type a simple info command to list loaded modules so you know the environment. This prevents confusion later when you execute more impactful commands. You continue by learning how to run the core Fs25 commands and why each form matters. Start with help to discover available commands, then test safe queries like list vehicles or stats read to observe output. When you need to change a setting, use set, variable value or admin, command for privileged tasks. This separation prevents accidental permission errors. Once comfortable, chain small actions with a semicolon to automate sequences, but always run them incrementally, so you can spot mistakes early and revert if needed. You finish by validating changes and preparing for problems. After running modifications, immediately use readback commands to confirm the game state matches expectations, because visual effects can lag. If something goes wrong, restore save backup one or apply undo commands if available. This is faster than trial and error. For persistent issues, log the console to a file so you can review timestamps and exact commands you entered. This makes reports and fixes precise. One tip, check permissions if a command fails silently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.